Well, again, we want to prevent from pollen getting into your eyes and nose. Wearing a big hat, particularly on a hot, dry, windy day. That's when pollen counts are typically higher earlier in the day. Sunglasses. You want to be a movie star? Here's your chance. Big Jackie O sunglasses for both men and women will prevent pollen from entering your eyes and eyelids. It's going to reduce symptoms considerably, especially on windy days. For the nose, nasal saline irrigation, nasal sprays, both in your pocket and irrigation twice a day, will wash out pesky pollen that presents itself in the nose and cause you to sneeze, and be itchy. And also, it's important, wash your hair at nighttime. If you've been outside in a park on a high pollen day, you have a pollen magnet because you're probably wearing gel or something in your hair. The pollen is going to stick to your hair and drive you crazy because all of that's going to be transferred to your pillowcase and your bed sheets. You're going to wake up in the morning the next day and you're not going to feel so great because of all that pollen misery. Plan wisely. Eyeglasses, pollen days, hats, nasal wash wisely. Finally, take a vacation by a body of water like a beach, lake, or river where pollen counts are typically lower. These are great survival tips that actually work.